All right, so today we're going to go over some of the things that you should not be doing while going through credit repair. And I'll be honest, a lot of my clients do some of these things anyway. Running your credit. You should not be applying for anything while going through credit repair. Excuse me, unless you have to have a home. Of course, try to get yourself a house. If you have to have a car to get back and forth to work or to carry your family here or there, obviously, yes, you got to do what you got to do. This is for the people that don't really need to run their credit, but they start seeing their score increase and the negative items come off, so they just assume they're going to get approved and that it's a smart idea. It is not a smart idea. Make sure that you are making your credit card payments on time. Please don't miss any payments on any of your bills, not just credit cards. Your mortgage, your car payment, any personal loans you may have, and obviously the credit cards. This is something that a lot of people do, and they think, oh, it don't matter, my credit repair guy can get it deleted. Obviously, in credit repair, there are no guarantees. There's just not. In fact, it is illegal to guarantee results. So make sure you're not running your credit. Make sure you're paying your bills on time. Number 3, and I cannot stress this enough, please, please don't complain. Please. I tell you before you sign up, nothing's promised, nothing's guaranteed. Only thing I promise and guarantee is that me and my team are going to do our very best to get you the best results we can get you. If you feel like you're going to be one of those people, or you just complain and you're thinking about signing up, please don't take this the wrong way, but do not sign up. I just don't have time. I have to deal with this anyway with some clients. I'll give you a perfect example. I had a client yesterday. We've been going round and round and round. He's not even 1 month, or I'm sorry, he's 33 days into the pre-litigation, and he's complaining because he got stall letters. Listen, it doesn't matter who writes these letters. It doesn't matter what's in these letters. It's an automated system that is spitting out that stall letter. If they continue to spit out this stall letter, it's actually going to benefit you in the long run when the attorneys get all these stall letters where they're basically ignoring your disputes. They cannot just keep doing that month after month after month. It doesn't mean they're not going to, because they don't like to do their job. And it's much easier just to send out an automated response saying it doesn't look like it come from you. Trust me when I say it does not matter who sends the letters, what's in the letters. If an attorney writes the letters, you're still more than likely to get a stall letter. That's just how it works. Of course, that's not what nobody wants to hear, but the fact of the matter is, the stall letter that you receive is an automated response. Nobody's actually looking over your letter saying, oh, this doesn't look like it come from a regular consumer. And I want to end the video with this. If you are thinking about signing up for my services, December is going to be the best time to sign up, because I'm going to do a better sale for the whole month of December than what I've done for Black Friday. I'm not going to tell you what that is until the last day of November. I will make a video and post it, but it will be cheaper than the Black Friday sale, and it will last all month for December, because it's not always about making money, but it is always about helping my clients. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Monday.